Hi, good morning, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of the most famous extension of the Angular, which is called Angular Essential. This is version 13, and I'm there at the official website, Microsoft.visualstudio. Package manager. So from there you can just go and you can search this extension. So basically, this why I'm talking about this Angular Essential. Uh, Extension is that this is very famous and very popular extension for the developers who are working on Angular. It will definitely help you a lot in your performance. It is going to help you a lot while you start your development or you will write piece of code. So let's start with quickly how we can install this extension on your local machine. Before that, I will little bit talk about the features which will be given by this extension. So these are the list of items, and these are the list of features which are given by this particular extension. So Angular snippets and language service editor config and material icon npm, lots of features are there which are given by this particular library. So let's go to this particular Visual Studio Code, and you have to go to the extension manager. Click on the extension manager. It will open this side panel, and you have to type Angular Essential. Click on this. It will open the Angular Essential um, extension. So if you have to verify whether it is right or not, so you can just see John Papa, this is the right publisher of this particular extension. So you can rely if the name is there, and it is, if you can see the verify symbol which is ticked, yeah, and that is marked to you know uh, okay, then it mean that it has been verified by the npm team, and you can safely install from here. Angular Essential is not a single package; it is a group of packages which you can see. There are total 9 items which which have been introduced. So npm I and all. So after installing this, you will have to restart your Visual Studio Code editor so that extension can start working. So I have already installed this extension, and I'm just going to show you demo that how it is going to increase your performance, how it is going to help you a lot while you are doing development. So you might be working on enterprise application or small application. So let's say if you have to create Angular form on your HTML, so you will type form and then you'll follow all the traditional way to generate the Angular form. But now you can see this, the once I will type form, or if you'll type name of any component of Angular, like so you will get IntelliSense. And the most important thing which you have to keep in your mind, that once you click on, if once you will write anything, you will extend promptly get an alert or IntelliSense. So if you have to verify whether it is coming from Angular Essential or not, so whatever items which are prefixed with A, you need to understand that is coming from Angular Essential. So if I have to generate form, so I'll click Angular form. So you can see this is how quickly it has automatically generated the Angular form. It is going to automate the process of the writing code. Now I will type again Angular form. So I just want to keep a button in this form so that I can submit my form. So you can see all the stuffs are already created by this, and everything is working fine. So this is how it is going to increase your performance. You can uh, type anything and you will promptly get an option over there, that how you can make use of this Angular Essential extension. You have to just install into your Visual Studio by this extension manager as I've shown you earlier, and then you can install from here as well, or either you can just go to the official website. From there you can click on this install. It will ask you to open in the code editor, and from there onwards you can just go ahead and you can install this. So we'll come up with our next video. We'll talk about another extension which is going to help you a lot in the development process. So it will not going to help you only with the HTML, but it is going to help you across your application. You can just use it into your TypeScript, HTML, CSS, wherever you'll write piece of code, you'll get IntelliSense, and it will increase your performance. So we'll upload our next video regarding new extension. Till then, take care. Bye.